Hello friends, in this video, we intend to go through the steps of verification and document upload at JustMarket Broker together, step by step. We enter the trading cabin at JustMarket Broker, and in this section we select the Complete Verification option. We complete the personal information in this section. After entering the details, we click on the Continue option. In the second step, a page opens for us where we need to enter information related to our employment status and the type of account selected, and you should enter your trading experience in this section. Finally, you click on this option that states you accept all the terms and conditions related to this broker, and then click on the Continue option. Enter your trading experience information in this section. And finally, you click on this option that states you have accepted all the rules and terms related to this broker, and then you click on the Continue option. In this section, the personal information has been successfully completed. You will enter the documents related to the upload in this section. In the first section, personal information is entered, and in the second section, you need to select the type of document you want to upload. The documents that can be uploaded include your ID card, passport, driver's license, and residency card. Please note that the documents you intend to upload must clearly show all four corners and should be a clear and sharp image so that the text within the document is readable. Documents that can be uploaded are your ID card, passport, driver's license, and residence card. Please note that the documents you intend to upload must be clear in all four corners and have a clear and transparent X so that the writing inside the document is legible. In this section, upload documents with your phone. You can upload the documents using your mobile phone. Otherwise, you click on this option. After uploading the front and back images of your ID document, you click on Submit Documents. And you enter the page related to verifying your address. In the first section, personal information has been entered. And in the second section, you need to upload documents for verifying your address. The documents should include utility bills, bank statements, or any document related to your place of residence. You need to upload documents to verify your address. You need to upload documents such as utility bills, bank statements, or any document related to your place of residence. In this section, you click to upload the documents. And after uploading the documents, you click on Submit Documents. Your documents have been successfully uploaded to JustMarkets Broker and are currently under review by the broker. After your account is verified with JustMarkets Broker, an email will be sent to your registered email address regarding the verification process. You can check this from your profile. Your account is verified, and from the settings, we select verification. The information related to personal details, identity verification, and address verification is complete. We select verification. As you can see, the personal information, residency verification, and address verification of your residence have been completed successfully, and your account has been accepted by the broker. In future videos, we will show you step-by-step how to deposit and withdraw money from JustMarkets Broker. Wishing you success and prosperity.